Here I am going to simplify this delta value. Okay, just doing this cross multiplication. Okay, that means 1 by SC1 R1 plus 1 by SC1 R2 plus 1 by S squared C1 C2. Okay, just I am taking this one multiplied with all the terms. Like I am going to take this R1 into all the three terms. Okay, R1 squared plus R1 R2 plus R1 divided by SC2 minus R1 squared. Okay, so now we are taking this delta. Okay, taking LCM. So which one is LCM? Which one is higher term? This one is higher term. So I am taking this S squared C1 C2. Okay, here which one is missing? C2 is missing. So C2, here already R1 is there. Here also C2 is missing, and also one S term is also missing. Okay, S squared is there, here also S. Okay, so S into C2 into R2. Okay, plus here only 1. Okay, plus R1 squared into, simply you cancel this plus R1 squared and minus R1 squared. Okay, so here no R1 squared is coming. Okay, so plus 1 here R1 R2. So S squared R1 R2 C1 C2 plus here SC2 is there. So yes, okay, then C1 R1. Okay, yes, C1 R1. Okay, so that's it. Here you are finding this delta value. Okay, so why we are finding the delta? We are finding the I2 of S. Okay, so what is that I2 of S? So I2 of S which is equal to del 2 by delta. Del 2 by delta. Okay, so what is the del 2 value here? What is the del 2 value? So Vi of S into R1. Okay, here what is delta? That means this value. Okay, so S into R1 C2 plus S into R2 C2 plus 1 plus S squared R1 R2 C1 C2 plus S into C1 R1. Okay, here S squared C1 C2 is there, it is in the numerator. Okay, so now we are finding this I2 of S. Okay, I2 of S is calculating. Okay, so what is this? Why we are finding this I2 of S? Take this equation as 4. Okay, already you know this. We are finding this V0 of S equal to I2 of S into R2. Okay, so what is this equation number 1? From the equation number 1, V0 of S which is equal to I2 of S into R2. Okay, I2 of S into R2. So substituted, what is I2 of S? So V0 of S which is equal to I2 of S. So I2 of S is Vi of S into R1. Okay, so S squared C1 C2 into R2 divide by S R1 C2 S R2 C2 plus 1 plus S squared R1 R2 C1 C2 plus S C1 R1. Okay, so again you may simplify this. How do we simplify? Just intermultiplication. Okay, so what is this? Just you are taking this Vi of S in this one. Okay, you may find the transfer function. So Vi of S divide by, so V0 of S divide by Vi of S. So you are finding the remaining term. What are the remaining term? So S squared C1 C2 R1 R2. So divide by, so I am taking first one as common constant term, 1 plus S R1 C2 S R2 C2 plus S squared R1 R2 C1 C2 plus SC1 R1. Okay, so that is the transfer function. So transfer function hereafter we are going to simplify this equation in terms of S squared and S, in terms of S. Okay, so how do we write it? See it. This is the transfer function of the given electrical network. Here I am going to simplify the above equation like this. Okay, so S squared C1 C2 R1 R2. Okay, so divide by 1 plus, here S is common to this. Okay, so S is common, so R1 C2 plus R2 C2 plus R1 C1 plus S squared R1 R2 C1 C2. So that is the overall transfer function of the given electrical system. Okay, thank you.